In search of the best video editing apps in 2023? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 video editing apps you absolutely need to check out. First up, we have the Adobe Premiere Rush. This powerhouse of a video editing app is a perfect fit for both the greenhorns and the seasoned professionals. It boasts a wide array of features such as multi-track editing, color correction, and a variety of effects. The best part, it's user-friendly and available on both mobile and desktop devices, making it a versatile choice. Next on the list is Quik. This free video editing app by GoPro is designed for speed and simplicity. It's an ideal pick for crafting short, shareable videos. With a plethora of templates and effects at your disposal, creating engaging content with Quik is, well, quick and easy. Third, we have iMovie. This free video editing app is exclusive to macOS and iOS devices. What makes iMovie stand out is its beginner-friendly interface that doesn't compromise on features. The app even provides tutorials to guide you in creating professional-looking videos. How's that for a supportive app? Moving on, we have WeVideo. This freemium video editing app is a great tool for creating videos for social media, YouTube, or your website. It's available on both mobile and desktop devices and offers a rich set of features, including multi-track editing, color correction, and effects. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes the editing process a breeze. Last but certainly not least, we have Clips. This free video editing app for iOS devices is perfect for crafting short, creative videos. With a range of effects and filters, Clips allows you to make your videos truly unique. And sharing your masterpiece on social media, it's as easy as pie. And there you have it, the top 5 video editing apps in 2023. We hope this list guides you to the app that suits your needs. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep editing. Keep creating.